Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today's discussion to display the GCD of two numbers. So friends, it is the possible import java dot util import java dot util dot scanner. Okay, this way I can write, yeah, otherwise util dot star comma. Okay, any way you can write, no problem. So I write this way, and public class and name of the program is GCD. Okay, so I can write this way, you can. Okay, next is main method to test scanner class. Okay, so public static void main. Okay, public static void main string args. Okay, public static void string args, and next string is also in here. Yeah, okay, this way I can write. Okay, public static void string args. Okay, next I start scanner class. So scanner in equals to new scanner. Oh, not in here, it is in here. Okay, new scanner okay, new scanner system dot in new scanner system dot in. Okay, new scanner system dot in semicolon. Next we go that int n1. Okay, int n1 comma n2 comma t equals to 0 semicolon. Okay, so there is some error, this is the t equals to 0. Okay, next, now again the system dot out dot print ln. Okay, system dot out dot print ln equals to enter to different number. Okay, enter to different number. Okay, next, enter to different number. Then I will write again that n1, as it is int, so it is okay, n1 equals to, okay, n1 equals to int dot next capital int comma n2 equals to int dot next capital int. Okay, so this is the second. So n1 into n2 while n1 divisible by n2 equals to 0. Okay, equals to 0, n2 factorial Okay, does not equals to, this is called not equals to, this is does not equals, it does not equals to 0, then it will be t equals to n1 percent n2. Okay, t equals to n1% into comma n1 n1 equals to n2 and n2 equals to again t. Okay, this is the, this is the rules or roots of the GCD. Okay, so system dot out system dot out system dot out dot print ln so system dot print ln g dot c dot d of 2 plus n2. Okay, so this is the, this is my total GCD. Now we will run the program. Okay, let's run the program. Let's see. Okay, n2 equals to t. Here is error. Yeah, definitely semicolon is missing. Okay, again run. Let's see where is any problem. Okay, enter two number. Okay, first number is 45. Okay, second number is 85. So GCD is 5. Okay, code execution successful. Next, again we check another example. Okay, 24 144. So code execution GCD is 24. Yeah, obviously it is correct. So now I think that you can understand that how to find out GCD with using scanner. Okay, it is also solving by the IO streams. Okay, so input stream reader class this way also, but I don't need, because scanner is very simple way. Okay, so now friends, again, okay, let's start how it is solving, because the property of the GCD, while n1 does not divisible by n2 equals to 0. Okay, then we keep t equals to 0, where t is equal to n1 divided by n2, and we keep n1 equals to n2, means n2 value is converted into n1 equals to n2. Again we divided, and n2 equals to t. Okay, so this way we will find out, it is a iterative process. Okay, so while loop, using while loop. Now friends, this questions is also coming ICSE 2009. Okay, so friends, now we can solve this problem. We can use a lot, we can use a lot of program with the help of scanner SC. Okay, so let's start to solve another problem, that is using scanner class, write a program to find and display the sum of any 10 numbers entered by the user from the console. Okay, any 10 numbers we can find out. Now how to solve this kind of problem using this type of a sample. Okay, just write a sample to display the sum of any 10 numbers. Okay, so using same factors, that it is not GCD, it is the sum token. Just name, I can if I will write it, this is just only name. Okay, sum token. And next, public static void string args new system dot in, same. And int is integer value is I. And okay, no problem, if I will keep just n1 n2 and t equals to 0. Okay, so I used in here system dot out. Okay, system dot out pre this portion I have to remove. Okay, so in here I write system tem dot out dot print ln. Okay, so write enter any 10 numbers. Okay, any 10 numbers. So this way I just write and just comma, and in here I just change the variable I is better for me, and n and t equals to 0, no problem. So friends, I use in here for loop. Okay, so I don't need to in next. Okay, so I just go, I have to write in here for. Okay, for 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 I equals to 1 comma I less than equals to 10 I plus plus. Okay, so now I have to write that in the for the n equals to in dot next capital I int. Okay, so it is n is now become okay int. Okay, so it is now s equals to s plus n. Okay, so system dot out the sum of numbers. So the sum of numbers. Okay, that is s is better. So So friends, let's check the program. My program is correct or not. Okay, there is error. H is equal to minus s. Sorry, there is not minus, and there is also semicolon. Okay, next, enter any 10 numbers. Okay, okay, how many numbers I am putting? I am putting 3 3 3 6. Okay, so the sum of numbers is equal to 539. So friends, I hope it is clear for everyone that the logic is simple, that s is equal to 0, s is equal to s plus n. Okay, n is any number. Okay, n is the integer number. Okay, here all the integer number, n value is I equals to I less than equals to 10. Okay, and s plus n. So thanks for watching. Actually the problem is using scanner class, write a program to find and display the sum of any 10 numbers entered by the user from the console. Okay, so I hope that I can give some example of the scanner class. Thanks for watching.